In this video, we'll show you how to install Easy Mod folder in GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So this tool creates a save mods folder so you can install and manage mods without touching your main GTA 5. So it's easier to uninstall when something happens. So first you can go to gta5mods.com. I'll put the link in the description, and we're gonna download Easy Mod folder or EMF. Now here, just press download and save it somewhere on your PC. Next, what you need is OpenIV. You can go to openiv.com, and here you just press download now, and also you need scribblev and scribblev.net. Also put the link in the description, so go ahead and download it. And to show you how to use Easy Mods folder, I'll try to install Mazda MX-5. Make sure when you try to install something on Easy Mod folder, it's a replacement mod, so like this. All right, now you have all the required files, so EMF, OVI setup, scribblev and scribblev.net, and also the vehicle mods that you want to install. All right, so now let's install scribblev and scribblev.net. Before that, you also need GTA 5 directory folder. So to find it on Steam, you can go to library, find your GTA 5, right click on it, manage, and select browse local files. And on Epic Games, you can go to library, find your GTA 5, click the three dots next to it, and then manage, and click the folder icon to go to your GTA 5 directory. And now you have your GTA 5 directory. Let's install scribblev and scribblev.net. You can open up these files with 7-zip or WinRAR. So for this, I will use WinRAR. So first, let's install scribblev. Right click on it, open with WinRAR, and then go to the bin folder. And here what you need is xinput, scribblev, and dinput8 DLL. And you can drag and drop them into your GTA 5 directory. Next, scribblev.net, open it up with WinRAR, and here what you need is all of the PDB, DLL, and ISI files. Select all of them and drag and drop it into your GTA 5. All right, that's done. And now let's install OpenIV. So open up the OVI setup, and here continue, read the terms, select I accept, continue again, and here you don't need to change anything, continue, and download the necessary files. And after this done, you can open up OpenIV, and you'll be greeted with this. So select GTA 5 Windows, and then you need to put your GTA 5 location, which you already know. Click browse, select folder, and we can press continue. Alright, so now we're inside OpenIV. So what you need to do is enable edit mode on the top right here, and then go to tools and click ASI manager, and here make sure you install ASI loader and OpenIV ASI. And let's install the EMF. Let's open the EMF zip file. So what you need to do is drag and drop it into your GTA 5 directory. Let's go ahead and do that. Drag and drop it into your GTA 5 mods folder. And now you can open up the mods folder inside OpenIV. Update, x64, DLC packs, and EMF. Open up DLC, x64, and here you have vehicle mods, weapons, and etc. So if you want to install vehicle mods, you can put it here. If you want to install weapons mod, you can put it here. But before we can do that, we have to put Easy Mods folder into the DLC list. So to do that, you can go back to update, and now update RPF, common, data, and then look for DLC XML. You can right click on it and hit edit. Scroll down, and here what you need to do is copy one of the lists, right click and hit copy, and then enter, paste that, and then just rename it to EMF like that. Click save, and that's done. Now we're gonna install the vehicle mods. So what you're gonna do is open the zip file and make sure you have the replace folder. So open up the vehicle RPF, and we're gonna put everything inside here, just like that. All right, easy. And that's basically it. So if you go back and if you want to install weapons, pads mods, you can put it inside these RPF files.